Welcome to our first visit to the Australian Standing Stones. We're at the Australian Standing Stone. It's a beautiful location with a lot of significance. I'm going to take the camera a little bit closer here. Make sure to pause the video and read every bit of information here because it makes all the difference in understanding how important this place is. This location is beautiful. There is so much history. It's our first time here as well. There's a path that leads back down. Right, so I've come back to the center. Over here, there's a clear explanation on how it works. So these 6 stones guide your eyes to where the sun will rise on the day of the year with least sunlight hours, the shortest day, and winter solstice, usually on June 21st. So that would be here. It's extraordinary, isn't it? Now coming back, on the bottom it says sunrise on the longest day of the year, the summer solstice, occurs above this stone, usually on December 21st. So that's here. And then summer sunset be in this direction. I'm coming back. Winter sunset. So, here. I'm not very good with this. This is my first time. But this is quite unique how between the stones you can see the sun, and the stones are perfectly aligned. Quite an extraordinary place. There's more on the other side, so I'm just going to walk over and have a look. The Excalibur is here. That's pretty neat. I'm not going to try to pull the sword out because I'm not that strong, but that's pretty neat. It's like something out of a movie. It's pretty awesome. Here's a view just outside. That's the town we just drove through. There's another spot just outside. Look at that. It's absolutely a beautiful view. Not sure if my video does it, captures all that, but it's quite lovely out here. And there's a light bit of mist. The air is quite nice and cold. Even though it's sunny, it's a cool breeze. Just come right to the top. There's a family wall over there. It's pretty unique. This is steps that leads down. And there are more details written over there. It's quite a beautiful place. It's so much significance. A definite must visit when you are in Glen Innes. We're just back on the road in Glen Innes, New South Wales. Just want to say thank you for watching our video, and if you have any suggestions on videos or places you'd like us to video from, do drop us a comment and we'd love to do that. Until next time, thank you for watching. Leave us a comment, like, subscribe. Bye.